Welcome back. Today I'm bringing Living Healthy Chicago to you from my home as I practice social distancing. And as many of us are spending more and more time at home these days, we're also trying to make healthy meal choices. So let's find out how to maximize the health benefits if veggie burgers are on the menu. So today I'm with Kendra from Drizzle Kitchen, and I can't speak for everybody, Kendra, but I think most of us love to sink our teeth into a delicious burger, whether it be meat or vegetarian based. But like all foods that we're eating, it's very important to be mindful of the ingredients that goes into those meals. So let's talk about the ingredients that we're putting in or we might be getting from some veggie burgers.
So a lot of the new burgers on the market right now are meant to emulate meat. They're really processed. Not all of them, but a lot of the newer ones now are filled with inflammatory oils. They are going to be higher in salt. They are filled with really processed protein.
You say it's healthier to then make them at home.
Totally. I mean, similar to almost anything, it's healthier to make it at home because you know what's going into it.
One of the important things to think about is adding color when you're making that veggie burger.
Yes, we've talked before about shopping the rainbow at the grocery store and then eating it. And typically the rule is the more vibrant the color, the more nutrition it has.
Does that count for the number of servings of vegetables we need to get in a daily?
Totally. It's a really great way to actually sneak those things in. You can sneak them into the burger and then you can also load it up on top. Tomatoes are filled with lycopene. Microgreens, they are awesome. They're like little dense powerhouses of nutrition. Avocados are actually really great healthy fats.
We're kicking things off here with these chickpeas.
We are. Just throw in a food processor. If you have a bigger food processor, it's beautiful because you can just throw all of it in there at the same time. We're just gonna give it a little chop. This is such a good source of nutrition. And then we're gonna add some flavor with our onion. Then we're gonna add everything else into here because you need a little moisture. Garlic clove.
Oh.
We're gonna use
your
my
microflame.
favorite kitchen tool. And if you wanna hand me the lemon, actually.
Oh, the lemon because you're on the plane.
Right.
A little bit of brightness to the flavor. Now, are we adding the juice of the lemon or just the zest?
Just the zest. Not only does it add flavor, it adds tons of antioxidants. Okay, and then the egg and cumin and the flour.
Because this is the binder?
Yes.
Oh, look at that. Oh, it's perfect.
I'm gonna add a little salt to this because I know it's gonna need it. So we're gonna let this sit for about 15-20 minutes. The easiest way to form these is if you put a little flour on your hands, form it into a little patty.
So we do that and we head over to
the stove. We have all these fun things to put on top. So these are just some of my favorite things. I love a sliced tomato. I love these little baby gem lettuces. They're super tender and tasty. And then microgreens, of course.
My new fave.
And avocado crema. I like to start with the crema. See, we don't have buns. We're using the burger as the bun.
What I learned today is that by making your veggie burgers at home, it's simple and easy. You're putting the good ingredients in and you're getting all the good nutrition out.
Absolutely. You're starting with a really fantastically nutritious thing, a bean. So you have this platform to increase nutrition in a super delicious, fun, easy recipe that you can do at home.
I love it. Kendra, thank you so much.
Of course.
Do you make your own veggie burgers? We want to check them out. Just tag us on Instagram at LivingHealthyTV. Let's try this.
Oh yeah.
Okay, here we go. That was so good. You want more content about living healthy? Well, it's easy. Check out these videos right here and subscribe right here for more.